What would you do with just $12 in your bank account? No degree, no investors, no plan B. Well, today we are going to talk about someone who turned that into 5 home service brands, 400 plus locations, and over $30 million in revenue, all without spending a single cent on paid ads. And it all started with one paintbrush and a whole lot of nerve. Welcome to Revenue's Rebellion. I'm your host, Lex Revena, and today's story might just make you rethink what's really standing between you and your first million. Today, we're diving into the raw, real, and ridiculously inspiring journey of Steven, an ex-subcontractor turned CEO of Resi Brands. What started as a desperate call to his wife after a sweaty day pressure, washing homes turned into a full-blown franchise movement. In this episode, you'll learn how Stephen Montgomery made $100K his first year by door knocking, how one kind gesture got him hired by an entire neighborhood, why doing a good job isn't enough to earn a 5-star review, the 5 R's of revenue that helped him scale without a dollar in ad spend, and how mentorship from John Maxwell supercharged his leadership and revenue. Resi Brands is a home service platform that covers painting, window cleaning, garage makeovers, handyman services, and roofing. But it all started with one business, that one painter. Steven franchised it in 2021, and now it's just shy of 500 franchise units across the country. Startup cost, $12 and a dream. Steven quit his job with nothing but $12 in his bank account. The job he was counting on got canceled right after he quit. So what did he do? He knocked on doors until someone gave him work. Every small job became a referral, every referral a domino. 1 job led to 5. 5 led to 50. 50 led to a movement. Day-to-day operations, early hustle. Steven had one rule. If the sun's up, I'm working. He painted houses all day, did estimates at night, and knocked on doors until it got dark. No website, no social media, just hustle. Eventually, he systemized everything, built out a CRM, created SOPs for his painters, and doubled his crews. That's when revenue exploded. Monthly revenue versus expenses. Let's talk real numbers. A single paint job brought in $3,700, 50% profit margin after paying subcontractors and materials. Some services like pressure washing or garage repairs, up to 70% margins. His franchises now average $5.8 million annually. Yes, $5.8 million. What makes it work? And what to avoid. Steven says his biggest early mistake was not trusting his team. He'd jump in and redo work instead of training people. That burned time and energy. His fix? Hire smart, systemize the process, and let go. When it came to franchising, the game changed. He stopped selling painting and started selling business systems. That's when things really took off. The 5 R's of revenue. Steven scaled to $30 million without paid ads by focusing on 5 things. Real estate agents. They know everyone buying, selling homes. Referrals. Blown away customers do your marketing for you. Repeat business, interior this month, cabinets the next. Reputation. Reviews are gold, and he makes them personal. Relationships. Don't be afraid to work for friends and family. Early on sales process, the 21 touch points. You read that right? Steven trains his team to follow up 7 times, with 3 touch points each. Double call, immediate text, resend the bid with a new email subject. And on that 7th try, hit him with, "This is my final follow-up. Your price will no longer be valid." That one line converts like crazy. Leadership upgrade, mentorship from John Maxwell. Steven's leadership game leveled up when John Maxwell, yes, the John Maxwell, became a mentor to him and the entire Resi Brands network. His key lesson? Accountability is the bucket that holds everything. Without it, everything leaks. Steven's journey proves one thing. You don't need funding, you need fire. $12 and relentless grit built a national brand. His secret? Serve first, systemize second, scale third. So Rebel, what's your excuse? If you're sitting on a business idea, this is your sign. Don't wait for perfect, don't wait for ads, just start. This is Revenue's Rebellion, I'm Lex Revena, and if you're ready to build something big, bold, and bootstrapped, subscribe, share this episode, and join the rebellion. Because freedom doesn't come from comfort. It comes from courage. And rebels, we build with both.